Milk frother, Aicok electric milk steamer with hot or cold milk froth with double wall, Strix controlled, non-stick coating silent operation, milk warmer, for cappuccino, hot chocolate, latte, coffee. Rich creamy foam, Aicok milk frother will provide a fantastic creamy milk foam, giving the steamed or frothed milk with plenty of small bubbles and smooth texture as well as sweetness by heating it at the desired temperature in seconds. Luxurious lattes, cappuccinos, coffee, hot chocolates, macchiatos and flat whites at the push of a button. Quick and quiet operation, heats and prepares exquisite milk foam in 1 minute with quiet operation.Frothing 3.93 ounces 115 milliliters, heating 8.20 ounces 240 milliliters. In order to get more foam, it is recommended to use whole milk. Durable and easy clean, with a streamlined silhouette, you can grab the frother comfortably. Double wall design, external ABS fireproof materialand design and non-stick interior for easy cleaning. Strix temperature control, the milk steamer comes with Strix temperature controls, fits in international safety standards. It will switches off automatically when the temperature achieve 149 ± 41, which is the best temperature to make perfect cappuccinos and lattes. The proper temperature ensures adequate nutrients of milk. Note: ETL listed, and if the quality of milk froth not up to standard, recommend to use refrigerated whole or low-fat milk about 4 to 6 degrees Celsius, and also make sure to use the appropriate whisk. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.